everyone, in this video I'll be comparing the iRobot Roomba J6 Plus and Combo J5 Plus. If you're interested in either vacuum, the links will be in the video description, so let's jump right in. First, the similarities. Both the J6 Plus and Combo J5 Plus feature a self-empty base for up to 60 days of hands-free cleaning. Both models emphasize a powerful cleaning performance with their multi-stage cleaning systems. This helps them pull in dirt, debris, and pet hair from various surfaces. Both vacuums incorporate advanced navigation technologies for efficient row-by-row navigation and obstacle avoidance. They even come with a guarantee that they'll avoid pet waste or you'll get a free replacement. Within the iRobot app, you can schedule both units to automatically clean when you're away, and they are also compatible with your favorite voice assistants. Now for the differences. The main and truly only difference is the J6 Plus is limited to vacuuming, while the Combo J5 Plus can vacuum and mop at the same time. Everything else is identical. In conclusion, the iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus should really be called the Combo J6 Plus. They both share similarities like a self-empty base, powerful cleaning, advanced navigation, and pet-friendly features. The main and only difference is the Combo J5 Plus can vacuum and mop at the same time, providing a versatile cleaning solution for hard floors and carpets alike.